There truly is no question that 2021 was an exceptional year for various digital currencies, particularly image tokens in a very huge way. Additionally, the year 2021 explicitly saw the introduction of different image tokens, genuinely like DOGELON Mars, Safimoon, and the huge development of dogecoin. These advanced resources guarantee that they are local area driven and that their primary objective is to guarantee that their holders are cheerful monetarily. In any case, what's for 2022? At the point when dogecoin experienced gigantic development, many individuals became keen on it and other image coins. Moreover, another image coin motivated by dogecoin, which likewise encountered a gigantic ascent, really was Shiba Inu in an unobtrusive way. Regardless, Shiba Inu has outperformed dogecoin with regards to showcase capitalization. What is DOGELON Mars, ELON? DOGELON Mars itself in every practical sense is alluded to as the interplanetary money, and it keeps on being one of the image coins with loads of possibilities when it basically comes to cost. DOGELON Mars has kept up with its security, notwithstanding the cryptographic money market's unpredictability, and its cost is supposed to increment in 2022 and then some, which is genuinely huge. The image coin has ridden an influx of prevalence via virtual entertainment and could arrive at United States $0.010 soon. This video will take a gander at the DOGELON Mars cost expectation, and in the event that DOGELON Mars is a wise speculation. Moving along, how about we bounce in? It is vital for realize that DOGELON Mars is a similarly new image coin, a fork of dogecoin, or so they thought. Moreover, there is a particular person behind each image coin, so for DOGELON, it is a space apparatus wearing canine. Besides, DOGELON was named after Mars, which fundamentally is articulated as DOGELON. DOGELON Mars certainly is viewed as a local area-driven digital currency, and it guarantees that it will explicitly improve continually. On the DOGELON Mars site, an animation canine in a spacesuit is climbing, addressing that DOGELON Mars will encounter a huge vertical development. ELON is the authority badge of DOGELON Mars in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, ELON generally is an ERC-20 computerized resource in light of the Ethereum blockchain, sent off in April 2021. The token really was named after Elon Musk, a firm devotee to digital forms of money in an unpretentious manner. Past its tomfoolery name, DOGELON Mars has a decidedly hearty local area behind it, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Today, it has in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and in excess of 84,000 supporters on Telegram. Since it explicitly is a fair general digital money, there was no pre-sale of the ELON coins. Notwithstanding, 10 trillion coins have been made in the wake of sending half to Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave his commitment to good cause and the COVID relief fund. The accompanying half of ELON tokens have been secured in the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH matches. Who are the organizers behind DOGELON Mars? Very much like most certainly other image coins, the originators behind DOGELON Mars are obscure. This most certainly happens in image coins. Having unknown originators in a sort of large manner. Notwithstanding, financial backers are encouraged to do a reasonable level of effort while going with monetary choices on digital forms of money to try not to succumb to malignant practices like leave tricks. All things considered, ELON sort of has been on the lookout for some time presently, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally low, which is genuinely huge. Utilizations of DOGELON Mars besides utilizing the amusing especially comic story of DOGELON, the canine giving the coin its name, as the foundation of the token, this digital money doesn't sort of have an especially official guide yet. ELON is an image coin without especially much utility and applications past purchasing and holding it in a cryptographic money wallet like MetaMask. Since it has different image credits in its name, Elon Musk, Doge, and Moon Mars, we could see a fast ascent in DOGELON Mars ELON. Be that as it may, its proof of work agreement instrument makes Ethereum one of the most secure blockchains out there. Once more, an alternate arrangement of especially decentralized hubs approves and gets exchanges on the Ethereum blockchain network. Then again, Polygon is a layer 2 scaling answer for Ethereum that explicitly allows expanded exchange throughput. This really intends that there are no gas battles on Polygon, which is genuinely critical. Current cost of DOGELON Mars ELON. Today, the live DOGELON Mars cost is United States dollars 0.000001, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of United States dollars 34,711,837. We update our ELON to United States dollars cost continuously in a significant manner. DOGELON Mars has been down 8.60% as of now. The ongoing CoinMarketCap positioning is number 109. With a live market cap of United States dollars 788,779,421, in spite of prevalent thinking. DOGELON Mars technical analysis. DOGELON Mars is viewed as an interplanetary money. In light of the bullish even triangle, the standpoint sort of seems, by all accounts, to be fairly sure. Apparently we explicitly are drawing nearer to practically the absolute bottom of the triangle. It's likewise really conceivable that this is the start of the third for the most part fundamental influx of the Elliott wave. The accompanying numbers basically are coursing in the stock. ELON 551,326,797,193,398, total. ELON, 1 quadrillion. Max. ELON, 1 quadrillion. Short objective 0.000060 to $70. Caution. The cost might drop considerably more to 0.000030 and afterward keep on dropping. Extremely lengthy hold with an objective cost of $0.000040 and a base price tag of $0.000005. This isn't expected to act as monetary exhortation. If it's not too much trouble, carry out the important groundwork and ponder making a speculation. DOGELON Mars price prediction 2022. As per our top-to-bottom specialized examination of ELON cost history, the cost of DOGELON Mars in 2022 is supposed to be $0.00000058. With a typical selling cost of $0.00000060, the ELON cost may truly arrive at a limit of $0.00000065 in an unobtrusive manner. DOGELON Mars price prediction 2023. In 2023, the cost of DOGELON Mars is supposed to hit a for the most part low of $0.00000086. All through 2023, the DOGELON Mars cost could arrive at a sort of high of $0.00000101 and a